Going live. Okay. Okay, everyone. I am just doing my game development once again. Got my snacks, keep my blood sugar stable, and speaking of blood sugar, my friend made a blood sugar tracking script. So, let me enter my log. It was 420 at the coffee shop. And no, that's not a joke. And, update my log. I'm going to tell you about myself. I'm Bailey Burnside. I'm a local software engineer here in Atlanta. I'm a pleb running Manjaro. I'm planning to switch to mainline art soon, and I'm probably going to get a new graphics card and rebuild the system because, reasons I kind of want to go to mainline art because it's hilariously more stable than Manjaro if you're doing what I'm doing. This is the master pool. Okay, I'm using NeoVim, which is my personal favorite Godot, personal favorite IDE. Okay, the stream has a few second lag. Okay, put that volume down. This is the game I'm building. What I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be replacing this UI with a drag thing. And I'm going to make sure all the events are bound to the same keyboard, but have the aspect ratio change when I... What's it called? I cannot speak. Brain fart. We switched. I didn't just up. It'll detect the options in you're on, and I'll round that, clean up the UI. So that's what's on my agenda for today. Switch to Alacrity Terminal. Yes, that's what I meant. Look, when your hands are shaking, it's kind of hard to properly type. By the way, I am... Ooh. Refactor. Dot. Get push. Trying to get push. Origin. UI refactor. So GitHub issue create title refactor control UI. Okay. UI design. Design. Touch. No. Virtual Virtual. Okay, that seems about right. And just so it doesn't yell at me. Virtual joystick. I know that's one word. Spell check. Do that. Okay. So I'm just going to redesign. Not resign. Design. Space design the UI to touch screen joystick. Oh, I have one viewer. Who's watching? Put that in chat. I haven't done a live stream in like an eternity. And there's about a 3-second delay. Ooh. Hello, all in chat. There we go. Okay. Concurrent viewers, interesting. Someone's actually watching my live stream. Funny. So, I need to get the Grammarly machine learning augmented cringe spell check because at this point I need better spelling than I need more privacy. So, yeah, that's kind of silly. Okay, this stream category. I am a terrible streamer. Okay, so let me just. I'm not running Time with the Manager anymore. Well, I'm running FXCE right now. I have an i3 installed, but I really need to do something like better. Let me think. I also need to success completion. Okay, the spell check is complete. Okay. Completion. Joystick. Submit that. Okay, so I'm on the UI refactor. Why is that in there? Does it break that? That's weird. Vince, I found a bug. That doesn't go there. Okay. Let me just clean up this. Vince, I found a bug. Okay, the bill. I don't think I'm using that plug anymore. I'm not using that plug anymore. I haven't worked on this project in so long. It is... Okay. License. Just to let you guys know, all my code is under the AGPL, and all my art is under the Creative Commons non-commercial, non-attribute license. Okay, this is Kenny's art, but my art is going to be under the Creative Commons non-attribution license. Creative Commons non-commercial, non-derivative license. I actually have to put that license in here, but I'm pretty sure I have it in here. But yeah, before I actually add my personal artwork to this, it's all going to be in there. rm test.power ACK. Okay, so let's just go to UI. -e, sort all things. Okay, that's the... I need to rename this. Main game UI screen. What? Okay. Now I jump back to my terminal because okay. Removed unneeded pack file. Move files and renamed UI component. Ugh. How do you spell component? Not composite. Okay. If I have to resort to using Chat GPT, I'm going to laugh. UI element. Is it just one? Done. Unbit. I'm just assuming that unneeded is not a real word, and us filthy Americans. Oh! I was spelling it wrong. Dummy. Maybe I should set a ton of aliases to all my common misspellings, so I don't have this pain, and people just laugh at my poor spelling and then go, no, it's really correct. Yeah, that'd be funny. Okay, I'm going to fire up, then pull it here, then pull here, then pull here, and then sometimes it is better to use a floating window manager. I know, heresy, absolute tech heresy. Okay. Checking on stream. End game. Let me just check. I shared this stream on Reddit a few places as well. Okay. So let's go to the UI elements. Okay. This is what I want to turn into a... I'm going to have to do a complete UI redesign. Okay. Control. Okay. Well, let's just see. Is there an asset I can use for one? Category, blah, 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 blah. It'd be in 2D, right? Graph. Funny. MIT license. Okay, I think I can use this. Let us see. MIT license is an attribute license. Yeah, this is an attribute license. I have to give a shout out to this guy. What's his name? Python Node/Node full stack developer languages Portuguese native, Spanish B1, English basic. Seems pretty cool. Contributes to a lot of cool projects. DRF, PDF, Django email center. I like some of this stuff. I'm actually a Django developer myself. Okay. Let's see what's on my screen. Hold on, let me check that. Yeah, okay, I can use this guy's stuff. Okay, download. And... No, hold on, before... okay. Let me just make sure. It doesn't say what Godot version it's compatible with. Well, if it doesn't work, I'm going to fork this. And fix it. Yeah. Okay, Then fix dependencies. Okay, it got installed in the wrong directory. That's overwrite. Okay. Let's just temporarily hide these new viz for now. And then put that there. What is it looking for? Hold on. You know. Okay. Oh, okay. Dummy. The file's not organized correctly. Are the plugins did my stupid butt not create a plugin directory? I didn't. Plugins, lowercase. New folder. Plugins. All. The whole thing. Do it. Just. Okay. That's a plugin. That's a plugin. This a plugin? Probably. That's asset. That misses something I caught plugin. Okay. 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 So far, so good. So far, so good. Now, let me just read the documentation on this plugin. Okay. 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 Oops. That's something that's needed. um. Okay. I don't think I'm using those input actions. Input map. Pitch up. Yeah. Okay. Device. Roll right, roll left, pitch up, pitch down. Okay, so I'll just change this logic. Roll left, roll square left. I haven't used this IDE in a while. I've been using Vim too much. Okay. Pitch down. Ah, it's that button. Someone should make a Vim bindings plugin for Godot. Or I need just to implement Godot LSP. Okay. Let's see. Wow, that's much better. And that's still the throttle. I could probably... Oh, this is... I need to implement tracking missiles, squad control. Okay, and this UI needs to go. Then I need to get better AI flocking algorithms. Okay. Better market system. Oh. Have to refactor the whole kit and caboodle of a ton of stuff. Balancing the creative balance for how many minerals you get for killing stations, because I don't think you should be able just to kill one station to build another station. I think it should be procedural. Wait, they're not getting money for killing stations? I get some. How much am I getting? Okay. Now I have to create a follow cam. Okay, well that... Okay, that solves that problem. Anyone in stream think this UI is less terrible? Well, okay. I personally think it's better. After that, gonna be design. Ooh. Better UI for aiming. And I highly doubt there's that many drones in game. I highly doubt that. I think that's a memory problem. Okay. If you like the music that is made by my friend Joey, right, stop that. Okay, that problem is solved, and now I need to use probably the same UI icon that was used for. I'm visually just going to replace it with my own UI icons, and okay, these can go. Okay, those can go. Now let me pull up my terminal. Wrong terminal. This terminal. Wrong terminal. This terminal. And you have too many terminals. Yes, I'm creating a pull request on my own. Because that is bad practice. Let's not do that. You need to actually figure out how to implement. Okay, I have no idea how to use this tool. Blah blah blah. Okay. This is a personal game project. I'm probably it doesn't that much. Okay. Okay, we solved one issue on my Git project. Kind of in a cheat way. And I have no exit button. That is silly. Now I need to go to my Alacrity terminal. Okay. Okay. It's been about an hour, so I'm going to, let's see, what else do I need for my project? What are my current, what are my current milestones with my project? Was I having to show my contributors to GitHub? That'd be funny. Who's watching? Oh, someone know. Okay, cool guy. Thanks for liking my project. Okay. There is no... Oh, I didn't implement resigns. Well, I'm just going to close this issue and... Okay, is there a project for this board? There is no project. Okay. Link to existing project. Okay, let's see if there's a... Let me get a projects do I have? Classic projects. I have blog, which I abandoned. Space RTS mobile game in Godot. Oh, this was originally part of that game. And then I, well, har har har. Let me show you. This project went through scope creep. I was supposed to have like a 2D overmap nested inside of another 2D overmap with all these features, and it kind of got scope creeped out of control. Now, I then evolved from a mobile game to a PC game because I wanted in-game scripting and crazy nonsense. So, this is going to be... I'm going to link this to a... take this, turn it off, and then link it to a... mobile to the right repository, and then you know, do it correctly. I'm also going to redesign my blog. Right now I'm using a beautiful theme for Hugo. I want to have this rebuilt in Gatsby, and I'm just learning React right now. I've been very few JavaScript things I do in Vue because it makes JavaScript less painful to look at, and I like living, so I use Vue.js. But the jobs are in React, so I'm going to learn React. 3 people have watched this video. Okay, cool. Well, I'm going to end this stream now that I got one issue closed. It's kind of cheeky, but I'm going to be planning out my live stream every day after a good hard day's work working on our freelance client project or our SaaS. I'm going to live stream my game dev and kind of show off to other nerds what I'm working on. But yeah, this is Bailey Burnson signing off. Hopefully you guys will give me some ideas for what features to implement. Like, I don't know, if this should just stay a simple tower defense game, or should have the, actually do the overworld map, but just make it simpler. Much simpler. Something I can procedurally generate through tiling window manager, and I don't know, tiling a tile map, and then take the tile map index, its XY position, then use that as the seed for procedural generation of some sort to generate the sector. Because that's what I'm thinking of doing, something simple. Well, relatively simple for procedural generation goes. I'm going to be live streaming later on, me creating the art for my games and creating the art for my... I'm going to just put on t-shirts. This game's actually open source with the AGPL license, and I think I mentioned that already. I did. I'm also going to be building a bunch of just regular stuff. I'm going to, live stream me doing the free code camp certifications, because a lot of people are trying to get into tech, and, well, free code camp's a good system. I've learned a lot from it, but I don't really use certifications for degrees. Certifications for programming in America are they either want a degree or they don't. They want a certification or they don't. They usually care more about your portfolio. Usually. Not always. I am planning on going back to college, but I'm going to work my way through it so I don't go into debt. Yeah, hopefully this game will be fun. See ya. Bye.